What's going on, Internet? I am the Masked Man. And in this video, I want to talk about a relatively new show on Fox called Lucifer. Now, this show is about the devil has taken a vacation from being in hell and owns a nightclub in Los Angeles, I believe. And he meets up with a cop and they solve cases together. Now, the first thing that I really hated about this show is that Lucifer has an accent. Now, I know that the devil technically is not supposed to be from any particular place, but him having an accent really gets on my nerves. It really takes away from the character. And I used to watch, a show on Fox called Fringe, and most of those actors were from somewhere else, but they all talk with American accents. The same with House. Hugh Laurie is not from the U.S., but he talked with an American accent. I don't know why they had to get somebody with a British accent to be the main character of an American show, but it's really fucking annoying, and it really gets on my damn nerves. It makes the character less intimidating. Now, as far as the show goes, I don't think this is a show that's gonna last too long, because it's another one of those shows that has a decent premise, but because the writers from today are remedial, they couldn't do anything other than turn it into a cop show. I really hate that every show that gets put out nowadays is a fucking cop show. That gets on my goddamn nerves. The last show that was an original idea that I really liked as a cop show was Minority Report with fine ass Megan Good. I like that because that was a cop show that was supposed to be a cop show. It made sense. But the devil running a nightclub does not have to be a cop show. But I'm rambling now. Anyway, from the few episodes I've watched, it's kind of a fish out of water sort of story. He's coming to terms with somebody who can resist his powers as the devil. He has a black brother, a fellow angel, who wants him to return to hell, or else all hell is going to break loose on earth. Blah. It's just silly. It's stupid. I'll watch it until it gets canceled. But it really reminds me of the show that was on ABC called Forever. About the guy who stayed young forever, but anytime he dies, his body got transported to a nearby lake. Just shit that didn't really make sense. Decent actors with a ridiculous premise. I wanted to like Lucifer, and then I got what I got. I got a guy with a stupid accent and a silly show that's not about nothing. Make the show about the heaven and earth thing. Stop making that the thing that you put in between the cop show. You could have kept Constantine on television. Now, I know that was an NBC show, but you could have kept Constantine on television if you were going to bring a show like this and put it out. Constantine was 100 times better, 100 times sooner than this show, and it deserved to be on. But Lucifer, it's just, we need a new show. We need quick ratings, and then we're gonna get rid of it. So I'm not really feeling Lucifer. I don't really love it. It's something that I'm just gonna watch until it goes away. Let me know what you think about Lucifer. Do you like the show? Do you think it's entertaining? Do you think it's fun? Let me know in the comments. Rate the video, like it, dislike it, be honest. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up with the videos that I'm making. If you want to send me any questions, you can send me questions at themrmaskman@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter or find me on Facebook at themrmaskman. That's all I have to say about this subject, so I will see you in the next video.